What am I supposed to say? I'm supposed to say, hey, my name is Andy, I'm going to do a bunch of tricks that you probably already seen me do, but I'll try to do one that I haven't done so it entertains you. Alright, well there you go. That was for your YouTube channel, Alex. That was my present to you.
Hey, it's not a bad day out.
No, dude, it's kind of nice. Oh, wait, never mind. Might as well get this backside flip in before we can. I have literally done those tricks like 1,000 times, and a few times on my channel. But this is on Alex's channel, right? And you wanted a video. Yes, thumbs up for reusing clips. No, don't. If I say that, everyone's gonna be like, oh! And then that's all they'll say is, oh! And that is what happens in skate parks. You ripped your jeans. I did rip my jeans. She was like, see if I was okay. Dude, she was like, destined. She was like, way over there. She was like, I'm driving right to that guy. And murdering me.